This is a 1995 crownline boat. It's a 20-footer with a 350 Mercruiser. Kind of a cool little, I guess, aftermarket add-on is these Corsa captain's calls. You can see them kind of right here. There's this part is a solenoid right here. And basically what this does is it diverts the exhaust from going through the stern drive to actually coming out the rear of the hull, and you know, it just is a loud exhaust. So kind of the cool feature about this setup is it actually runs on this switch right here. You can hear it flipping back and forth, and that's those butterflies opening up in the exhaust. So if it's shut like it is right now, the exhaust goes down under the water. The boat is, you know, very quiet. You can't hardly even tell it's on. But if you open those diverters, it blasts through above the water, and it's kind of cocky and kind of cool. So I'm going to show you an example of that system running, the difference between the two. At idle, it's really a noticeable difference, but when you're on the water on plane, you can hit them on or off, and while you're in the boat, it doesn't really sound any different because the exhaust is more out of the water anyway. Turn them off. So I hope you enjoyed those clips of this boat engine running. Kind of a cool system if you can get one set up for yourself. They make some that are only through hull. They make some that are both like this. So just kind of pick your poison in whatever kit you want to use. But it is kind of a fun little feature that adds to your boat. So thanks for watching.